is pissed off. Howdy folks, Mikey Swartz here with some RCV Axles today. If you're one of the lucky few people that subscribe to my channel, then you'd know that I purchased these about 3 years ago. And I haven't put a lot of miles on the truck, to be honest, because it's been torn apart for the past 2.5 years. This is the first time these have been out of the truck since I bought these things. We know that they do click.
That's just his axles going clickety clickety click.
Oh my God.
Let me do a flashback video so you can see I really beat these things when I first put them in. I basically tried to break them.
You're all ready? Oh,
serious
damn it.
fuck, man.
Oh shit! Take a look under here, kids.
That's supposed to be straight. My daughter wants a ride.
She's not gonna get one now. Look at the truck.
It's alright. Let's do it.
Whip slash never gives up.
Going through this mud pit even though my shit's all fucked.
Just fucking send it.
His wheels are fucked.
Boy, she's busted clean.
And by the way, I just put a 5.7 liter Tundra V8 engine in my Tacoma. So I'm really gonna put these things to the test. On-road, off-road, whatever. They're gonna get tested hard. God damn it, Cameron. Well, anyway, let me get down to it. This axle is in good shape. Nice and loose here, you know. Seems pretty nice, but this one, I'm not so sure about. I'm gonna install it and see what happens, but this side is really effing tight. Like really tight, you guys. Yeah. I'm not gonna fuck with it at all because I don't want to ruin that lifetime warranty that RCV is giving me on these hair axles, you know what I mean? So I'm just gonna put it back in the truck and see what happens. Feeling a little stow that I might lose some power through this though. You know, some type of way. Stow. I'm gonna clamp this in the vise though and see if I can get it to loosen up a little bit before I put it back in the truck. I'm just gonna try this. Oh, it is fucking pissed off. Oh, okay. Dude, I mean, come on, wow. That's what I got the pipe for. I do not want to fuck this up. I wonder if this is voiding the warranty. I hope not. I'm trying to help RCV out here. I mean, I just don't see why it would be so effing tight. What can I do? What should I do? I mean, it'll move, it just doesn't seem like it's gonna loosen up. Should probably call RCV and ask them what to do. But I'm not one to make phone calls. And I'm just trying to get this truck done so I can fucking drive it. Oh well. Let's put it in the truck and see how it is. All right, for the record, I am gonna put the effed up axle in the driver's side. Driver's side, you guys, driver's side. All right, remember that, because we're about to go beat the shit out of this truck. All right, boys, right now, me and Cameron are getting loaded up to go to Trevorton tomorrow morning. We're gonna drive the truck the whole way there with the RCV axles in it and with the brand new 5.7 liter 3UR FE Toyota Tundra V8 engine. It's not brand new, it's just new to me. We got Cameron's 150R in the mother beeping bed. You ready to go, bro?
Are you ready?
I've been ready, dude. I've been ready since like a couple minutes ago. If you're not subscribed, you better fucking hit that button right now and hit the like button too and comment and tell other people to come and check out my videos. Please, I'm begging you. I'm fucking begging you. Help me out. How am I gonna pay to get my son through college?
You ready?
He's gonna have to get through college somehow because he's got no skills on his dirt bike. Listen to that V8 rumble, you guys. Look at my stupid shadow. I hate shadows in videos. I guess he thinks he's gonna drive it off there. Probably thinks right. Oh, he's being such a pussy wussy. Well, go on. All right, guys, like it, share it, comment on it, subscribe to it. Pop that hood, bro. Gotta make sure everyone knows that we weren't lying.
I just broke the fucking dash off.
That's okay. Bam. What did you even know about the 5.7 liter i4's V8?
It's a piece of shit, you know?
We'll see how much of a piece of shit it is tomorrow at Trevorton.
I don't think you're making it up the hill because of these pieces of shit.
Those tires have not been very good to us. But
I mean,
we're gonna find out.
Look, Phil, name real quick. You kind of did get the Harbor Freight specials, you know.
Those are not Harbor Freights. Those are Iron Man all country mud trains in the size of 37 inches, bro.
Harbor Freight. The Method wheels, on the other hand, okay. Those are
I mean,
really
I
good.
splurged on the Method wheels. How was I supposed to have money left over for good tires when I spent that much on Method wheels, bro?
And the King shocks per se. But
Yes, the King shocks were not cheap either.
Where's the King shocks for the rear per se though?
Oh, they're over there in the next room over.
Actually, they're not even in.
Installed them yet. I have not installed them.
I'm gonna say the 150's gonna spank you up the
this
hill.
video is over. Come on, I need to coast it.
Mike's War!
Hey, shout out your own YouTube channel.
Canzone!